G'day everyone. So we're up at Beechmont today. I've brought you up here to show you Lip Falls, which isn't as well known as all the other waterfalls, but still really worthwhile checking out. So from the Gold Coast, looking at 30-35 minutes to get to Beechmont and check it out. And from Brizzy, probably about an hour and a half to get down here, but definitely worthwhile checking it out, as you'll see. So as always, I'll bring you guys with me, and anything cool I find along the way, I'll record and chuck up for you. So let's get into the walk. G'day guys, so we're at the first lookout. Absolutely pumping. We had some good rain this morning, so I knew the waterfalls would be going off, and yeah, it's looking really good. Now, one thing I have noticed since I got here, the walking track's closed. So another one, as you can read there on the sign. So you can get to this lookout, but they're saying it's closed to get down to actual Lip Falls. Anyway, I'll push on, I'll see if I can get down there, and if I do, I'll get some footage for you. If not, I'll let you know. Hey guys, so it has been a fair few years since I've been here. Looks like the owner of this property here has cracked the shit with all the people coming to Lip Falls, and has basically reclaimed a part of his land that the council used to get to the path. So now the main footpath to get down is inaccessible without trespassing on his property. So he's got a big sign up here saying that you can't go through. So looks like other people have made a track down through there. It is bloody hard to get down there, so I wouldn't attempt it unless if you're really experienced, and then getting back up will be a real nightmare unless if you've got some way of tracking your steps. But yeah, just to sort of give you an update on what's going on down here. So if you're wanting to go to Lip Falls, probably would avoid it and go somewhere else until this battle's sort of sorted. But that's the update for you guys. So seeing as you can't get down to the bottom without trespassing or trekking through the bush, I'll roll on some clips from last time I was here, just to show you what it's like down there. So here's those clips. G'day guys, so I thought while I'm up here at Beechmont I may as well show you the hang gliding lookout. So I took some drone footage and also got some footage on the GoPro, so I'll roll that on now. See ya!